Let's do some questions on the mode of a data set. The mode of a data set is the value that appears most frequently in it. Now, a data set can have one or multiple or no modes at all. That is, if each element occurs once in a data set, then the data set has no modes. It has one mode if only one value appears most frequently, such as in this case where 4 occurs twice. So the mode of this data set is 4. Now, on the other hand, if more than one value appears with the same highest frequency, such as in this case where 2 and 3 both occur twice, then the set is said to be multimodal, meaning it has multiple modes. Such as in this set where both 2 and 3 are modes of this data set. And let's do another question on modes. What is the mode of this set? So first off, we need to count the number of occurrences. So 1 occurs twice, 2 occurs twice, 3 occurs once, 4 occurs thrice, and 5 occurs twice. So the value that occurs the most frequently, which in this case is 4, is the mode of this set. Now let's try to find the mode of this data set. So once again, we need to count the frequency of each element. So 34 appears 3 times, 56 appears twice, 78 appears once, and 90 appears once. So the mode of a data set is the value that occurs most frequently, which in this case is 34. So the mode of this data set is 34.